Hey, good morning. My garage with Dave. Anyway, I cut the hole out for the sending unit in the gas tank. Cut it out of the floor so I could get at it. Wires corroded, so cleaned up. Gas gauge works now. So what I'm going to do now is make a new cover for this. And we'll be using a sheet of aluminum. And I'll show you what I do with that. Trim it out. I may run it through the bead roller. Doesn't need to be, that just strengthens and puts some strength into it. So anyway, I'll show you what I'm gonna do. Let's see, what I'm gonna do here is come out 3/4 from there. 3/4 from there. Let's see. And then 3/4 from there. 3/4 from there. Oop, nope, wanted it down there. Wrong one. Got marked. I want to put round corners in. Let's use this hole cutter. Anyway, then I'll go over here and cut it out. Anyway, this is my beading machine. Got it a little cleaned up. Anyway, these are the dies where you'd make your beading at. And this is what it looks like when you're done. So anyway, I'll just do an X in that one. And what I've done with this machine, this is off a wash machine, drill, Harbor Freight, and another pulley. I think I got the pulleys at the Home Depot. And anyway, this is a variable speed drill. Then I got a variable speed foot pedal. And anyway, then you can control it a lot better. But anyway, let me get the piece in there and roll it out. Anyway, I got my panel marked. So I'm going to put it in here. Now, when it touches, I'm going to tighten it down 1.5. Get over here for a second. Take it off a little bit. There you go. Right to there. Good. You got the one in there. Get back over here. There you go. Now I'll put some holes in here and put it in, install it. Okay, I got these all marked. Got the punch. Oh. There you go. Nice and easy, no burrs or anything from drills. Let's go see how it fits. Yeah, let's see how it fits. Hey, looks pretty good. Anyway, that's all for now. Do the lichens. Anyway, do a little review. We got the wiring work sorted out. Gas gauge works now. Heater motors, lights, everything works. Got it running. Let's see, made the panel for the back. So let's see, a few more things to do, and then take it out for a test drive and see how that goes. What else? Yeah, that's about it. Sure, hit it with a hammer. hit the likey button and subscribe if you want. But hit the likey button, and we'll see you on the next one. Thank you.